Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about Popcaan, about upon DJ and party. We have Silk Boss and in two baby mother them go back and forth. We also have Footah I say Mavado and Grateful and him post a video in response to that. They also say Mavado sick and he went to go on a show but he can't show up no more. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment and share. Stay tuned. Now, the other day, Popcaan had a party, in St. Thomas where I come from. And then the DJ say, yo, you can't just play anything, because we push you over there. So then take a look at this video and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Sledge. We have a virgin when he is Sledge, where they are Ghana, where he's a fucking billionaire. So get your status up, yeah? If you want to be a billionaire like us, yeah, get your status up. You can't just play anything you feel like. Because you see, at 60 feet, we just show you off and then remember you doing it. So at your chance, the kid is crazy, Oh, I wish you would ever sing a while about it. Remember? Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Where the Silk Boss go and walk and talk podcast, and the conversation came up about his other son, about the other baby mother. And he blatantly went and said he not even didn't want the other evil and a bag of things talk. Anyways, the other baby mother made a post and she said this. Your son is 1 year old now. I'm not going to argue with you about the facts, because if that's what you have to run with to have a happy home, may peace be with you. If your female loves you, she is not going to get up every day and torment you about your son. That's not with her, nor should you allow her to do it. Put your foot down. That interview was your chance to build back some respect for your name, for yourself, your fans, your family, and most importantly, your son. I've had it. Prince's passport has been sitting at the embassy in Jamaica for you to sign for almost a month. But instead of your priority was to travel for an interview to once again disrespect your blood, your first son. I don't know what it's going to take, but you need to stop. I'm tired. Then Silk Boss went live and addressed her, and this is what he had to say about the whole situation.
Saying, by time I stay so now, I reach down at the supermarket to go buy bomb that me I buy and come back at me yard. Saying, are you the pump and that and where I write one long old paragraph. Hey girl, me tell you this, pussy. Me tell you this, me tired of you, Me tired of blood, because me there so now. As much as all me never want no youth with you, bro. Me there so I try and make it work out in the best way possible. A conversation me have with you, and my mother the blood communicate, and my mother tell me what you say, and me I communicate with my mother. For the youth and the youth for me, so me can sign it. And you, wicked bad girl, you! Bro, me literally tired of you now, bro. Me tired of you, bro. Me tired of you every minute pan the media for your decision. I make people, they disrespect me, I disrespect my family, I disrespect my for your you link me and me tell you say XYZ, bro, and you do what you think you fi do, bro. Seen? And then you go come on the internet do something. As much as me never want the youth, bro. See, me never want to pick me with her. Me tell her straight, bro, based off of how me and her meet. And as much as me never want the youth, bro, me can show conversations with me and my mother, they communicate, and my father, because my mother and my father been a communicate with them. Been a communicate with blood clot that girl, bro. Saying, me have the information, bro, and the email when them send it and say, Silk, this is the code where you go down an embassy and tell them, say, XYZ, saying, and sign off for the baby documents. Me tell mommy, say, mommy, me I go deal with it because me have something to do. I don't know what this woman care about me name. Go tell this a gal gone for me.
After that, Brie, that Silk Boss first baby mother, she posted some response to what the second baby mother had said. So take a look. Bree say, "Wanna pinch the girl there and tell her, say, if me and him left, she still not go get him. Ask the Rasta girl if she see the man, tell her if don't look on the pitney. You know, owe me no loyalty, that's why me owe me own, but me bring owe you loyalty, go." Exclamation sign. Then she say, "You did call me when you take the wood in your throat. I in your hole, so why you want to come mix me? You try your best, beg the man if he left me and like she said, left me out of that. Never tell no big old stinking girl if skin out the road and take F. No BBC mix me here and make me run up and down by your life and disappear BBC girl here." Where do you miss if with I quarrel about Mavado this, Mavado that, and Mavado ungrateful and in talks here in boss him? It's like the man have big legs. Anyway, this is what he had to say.
Then my brand being ring Mavado. Mavado no boss before me. So he has to build my own brand. Me being have my own brand. It's just that Mavado is an artist. And Mavado become a giant. We can't take that from him. So in huge, in humongous, no problem. But don't forget who make you huge. And nobody name him I go call. No do greater work than brand Mavado than me. Nobody. Nobody. No family, no friend, no manager, no stranger, nobody. Me a big man now. Me pitney them big now. Him now give me my props. So if me not speak about my props, all my pitney them I gonna know. So them father is great. Me don't need him to tell nobody say me great. Me I tell the people them say me great myself.
Anyways, there I saw a post on Mavado's Instagram. He was supposed to perform sometime either this month or next month, but it's now being postponed to September because of his illness. So take a look at this. It says, "My UK fans, sorry for the change of plans. I have no choice. Golly God will be back real soon. So blessings, hoping get better soon so you can go show up for your fans them in September." So apparently Footah still never done. Him never pleased because Mavado not give me time of day. So because him didn't get the praise that he was looking for, he dug up an old video of Mavado saying that he was the one that helped him to stardom. Take a look.
Song Even Real Makai is a song one of voice around 2 years now. You see it, I just voice it. And Footah them have it a play it all about and Rasta and Biggie them. Rasta and Biggie them first I play it uptown. Them I mix it with Cartel. Big man, boy is a boy. Footah just link with that sake of them and them I play the anger management rhythm make a year. And I say, I love that rhythm and style, that rhythm and body. And it's true them. And Footah called me and say, come voice the song for the youth, Real Makai. As I say around 2 years now. And I just go voice it. Because I believe I Cartel first voice, then me voice.
The other day I saw this post on Spice's Instagram page. And at first glance message, boy, she and Justin the Rasta guy went up on Love and Hip Hop gone back together here. This is a brown guy, look tall, Rasta. So we assume see him. Only if you realize that it's a scene from her upcoming music video called Ex-Boyfriend. So take a look.
Too late. Now I got another ex-boyfriend. I'ma need another next boyfriend. I got another ex-boyfriend. I got another ex.
I like this song, but tell me what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. And I'll see you next time.